drowning in repetitive paperwork. Let's transform your recurring agreements into effortlessly reusable forms with DocuSign templates. To begin, log into your DocuSign account and navigate to the Templates tab, usually found at the top of your dashboard. Click on the prominently displayed Create a Template button. This is where the magic of reusability starts. First, give your template a clear and descriptive name. This will help you easily identify it later. You can also add a description to provide more context for yourself and your team. Now, you have two primary options for your template's foundation. You can upload a document. If you already have a pre-existing agreement you want to convert into a template, simply select the file from your computer and upload it. DocuSign will then process it and allow you to add fields. Alternatively, you can use a standard template. If DocuSign offers a pre-built option that closely matches your needs, this can be a great starting point for common agreements. Once your document is loaded, you'll enter the DocuSign signing interface on the left-hand side. You'll see a pane with standard fields and custom fields. From here, you can drag and drop various fields onto your document to define where information needs to be entered. For instance, drag a text field to mark a spot for a client's name. A date field is perfect for signing dates or effective dates. Use drop-down fields for predefined choices, ensuring consistency, like selecting a service level or agreement type. Crucially, drag and drop signature fields where your signers will need to affix their electronic signatures. You can assign these to specific roles if you have multiple signers. If your template involves multiple parties, you can assign each field to a specific recipient. Simply drag the field and then select the appropriate recipient from the Assignee dropdown. For essential information, remember to mark fields as required. This ensures that no critical data is missed before the document can be completed. Once you've placed all your necessary fields and configured them, click Save and Close to finalize your template. And there you have it. Your reusable DocuSign template is now ready to streamline your future agreements, saving you invaluable time and ensuring perfect consistency every single time.